If my parents are here, after listening to Divakar's introduction, might have felt very happy. Can you give a big round of applause to Master Sarman? Past Division Governor Kumaran, past Assistant Division Governor Ram Gopal, past District Secretary Ramesh, past Area Governor, past Assistant Division Governor Training and Education Jose, present Area Governor Jose, Santosh Stephen Paul and M.U. Bhatt, and so many dignitaries. Happy evening. Happy evening. Whenever I look at cricket ground, it fascinates me. Whenever I attend Toastmasters meeting, it excites me. I become uncontrollable. Of course, I'm not nervous because Sunshine Toastmasters is like a home. It gives me immense pleasure to be an installation officer for this wonderful ceremony. Sunshine Toastmasters is a fantastic and very lively club and has produced brilliant speakers like Kadiri, Kumaran, Chayana, Ram Gopal, Venkat, Dirish, and so many. And Sunshine Toastmasters has produced outstanding leaders like Venkat, past District Governor, and Kumaran, past Assistant Lieutenant Governor Training and Education. And Sunshine has contributed to District 82 in so many ways, and I believe Sunshine always maintains right balance with senior Toastmasters and young and energetic Toastmasters. Dear Sunshiners and TMs of District 82, how do you feel being a being a member in this #1 District 82? Great? As long as you are inside, you may not feel so exciting. But whenever I go out and represent my district, wow, how come your district is becoming #1 continuously? But I ask a question myself, how can I be a member in #1 district as long as I'm in the Toastmaster? Can you ask a question to yourself? How can I make my district #1 repeatedly? I have only few secrets. Every month one speech. Second secret, participate in every contest. Third one is take a small leadership role. Fourth one, follow manuals rigorously. Fifth one, get it mentored. Last one, mentor as many Toastmasters as possible. One day a disciple found a glittering object. He went up to his master, "Master, I got this glittering object. Can you tell me whether this is a diamond or not?" Master, thoroughly looked at the glittering object. You do one thing, go to the nearest library, find out all the books related to diamonds and study and come back. After a few days, this disciple came back and asked, "Master, can you tell me the object what you gave is diamond or not?" And Master said, "Yes, of course, it is a diamond." Then disciple got upset and told, "Why you took so much time and made me to run around just to tell this truth? Is there anything that you want to convey?" "Yes," Master said. "I want you to test yourself. I want you to thoroughly equipped with the knowledge. Then only you can preserve the diamond as long as possible with you." My dear Toastmaster, every time you go up to your mentor and ask for so many suggestions, Sometimes you feel why my mentor is not giving me complete picture about my speech. Your mentor duty is to empower you. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
On this note, I wanted to continue as an installation officer to do a noble task of installing new office bearers. I would request all the officers of the outgoing committee to stand up. I request all the outgoing office bearers. I, on behalf of the Toastmasters movement and Sunshine Toastmasters Club, thank you all for the wonderful service rendered as officers of this club during the term July 2010 and June 2010. You are discharged from all the further duties and responsibilities as officers of Sunshine Toastmasters Club. My dear Toastmasters and guests, please give this set of office bearers a big round of applause. I am here to install the officers of Sunshine Toastmasters Club and prepare them for the challenges that lie ahead. Their collective challenge is to make this club strong, dedicated to helping people from all walks of life to speak in an effective manner, listen with sensitivity and think creatively. I will ask each office bearer to come here, stand from Sergeant at Arms to President. Can I request all office bearers to come and join me? All office bearers. I will ask each officer to hold the gavel as a symbol of leadership as I briefly describe the challenges he or she must meet and the responsibilities he or she must fulfill.
Why don't you announce the order?
Yes. Sergeant at Arms, Secretary, Treasurer, VP Membership, VP PR, VP Education, and President. I will ask first 7th ranking officer, Sergeant at Arms, Tarun, and Associate Sergeant at Arms, Sutler, to hold this gavel. As a Sergeant at Arms, you should maintain some standards at the club meetings or arrange the room at least 10 minutes before the meeting begins. Evaluation forms and ballots are distributed. The club banner, awards, progress chart and educational materials are displayed. Greet members and guests and arrange for guests to sit with members. Greet any area, division, district officers who visit the club and escort them to the club president. Arrange for food service and meal meetings. Some standards outside of the club meetings are attend district sponsored club officers training, maintain club equipment and keep an adequate number of supplies. Attend club executive committee meetings. Hold this as a symbol of the above charge. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes.
And I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Please pass on to us. Treasurer Srinivasa. Toastmasters, we have Toastmaster Srinivas Raju as a treasurer, 6th ranking officer. Some standards at the club meetings are receive completed member application and dues, announce when dues are due and explain due structure, greet members and guests. Some standards outside of the club meetings are attend district sponsored club officer training, prepare a budget to be approved by executive committee within 1 week of taking office, provide the bank with a new signature card within 15 days of taking office, prepare and send due statement by August 15 and February 15. Collect and send dues to World Headquarters by October 1 and April 1. Hold this as a symbol of the above charge. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
I wish you all the best. We have Toastmaster Prashant, 5th ranking officer, as a secretary. Some standards at the club meetings are: record and read meeting minutes, greet members and guests with smile. Some standards outside of the club meetings are: attend district-sponsored club officers training, maintain accurate membership roster and give it to treasurer to submit with dues, mail club officers list to World Headquarters within 10 days after elections, handle general club correspondence, keep all club records safe, attend club executive meetings, prepare successor for office. Toastmaster Prashant, hold this as a symbol of the above charge. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
I wish you all the best. We have Toastmaster Anand Bahirar as a VP Public Relations, 4th ranking officer. Some standards at the club meetings are: announce upcoming events and programs, ask for contributions to the newsletter or website, greet members and guests. Some standards outside of the club meetings are: attend district-sponsored club officer training, promote club to local media, produce and distribute a club newsletter and maintain club website, promote membership programs, attend other TM events and attend club executive meetings. Hold this as a symbol of the above charge. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
I wish you all the best. Toastmaster Diwakar as a VP Education and Vijay Lakshmi Bahirar as an Associate VP Education, 2nd ranking officer. Some standards at the club meetings are: to prepare over the club meetings in the absence of the president, ensure that a club member conducts the successful club series program, evaluate to motivate, moments of truth, mentoring and finding new members for your club at least once a year, monitor club performance quarterly in cooperation with the club president, sign members' project completion records and ensure eligible members fill out their award applications, greet guests and members. Some standards outside of the club meetings are: attend executive committee meetings in the absence of the president, attend district-sponsored club officer training, plan club meetings, complete schedules and assignments at least 3 weeks in advance and confirming each meeting schedule 7 days in advance. Hold this as a symbol of above charge. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, sir.
I wish you both all the best. Please pass on to. I request immediate past president to join the team. Please give the gap. We have with us Toastmaster Santosh Stephen Paul, immediate past president. Role and responsibilities are: to provide guidance and serve as a resource to club officers and members. Chair's nominating committee, assist in the preparation of club success plan, promote the club's effort to become a distinguished club. Hold this as a symbol of the above charge. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, sir.
I wish you all the best, Santosh. Toastmaster S. Venkatramanan, President, CEO of the club, have been elected as the President of the Sunshine Toastmaster Club. You are its CEO and will be expected to preside at all club meetings and at all regular and special meetings of your executive committee. You are the club's leader. The officers and the members look up to you for inspiration and motivation. It is your challenge to see that this club enables its members to achieve their education goals. It is also your challenge to see that your club helps the area, division, district and TMI to meet their goals. Please accept this gavel as a symbol of your leadership and dedication to this office. The gavel is a symbol of the power and authority given to you by the membership of this club. Use it wisely and with restraint. You are a member of your team as well as the leader. Work with your team member to create a healthy, dynamic club, a club of which everyone will be proud. Will you, as a president, accept the challenge and perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
It's now my privilege to declare these Toastmasters installed into the offices to which they have been elected. Will all the Toastmasters please stand? The growth and development of the Toastmasters program in the Sunshine Toastmaster Club depends largely upon the actions of this group. On your honor as men and women of Toastmasters, do you pledge to individually and collectively stand by this club, live with it and work with it throughout the coming year?
Yes.
Now, may request all the newly elected officers to return to their seats except incoming president. I thank all outgoing officers for rendering extraordinary service. I wish and congratulate all the incoming office bearers for taking huge responsibility to make a difference to Sunshine Toastmasters and to the district as a whole. I had a nice time as an installation officer. I am excited to listen to incoming president. Please give a big round of applause to incoming president Venkat Ramanan.